Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to blur background in iPhone camera. Let's begin. So yes, you can actually blur background just using iPhone camera, and then most of the time the photos are actually great. It's as if you are using a DSLR but you're just actually using iPhone. And there's tons of iPhone camera tricks nowadays that you could really explore, and there is like a lot of photo editing apps that you could also use if you want to blur background of your photos. But what I'm going to be showing you today, we don't need to install any apps because you could definitely blur its background without having to install one. So going back to our tutorial, so there I'm just showing you a sample screenshot on how the blur background would appear if you are going to use the portrait option for for iPhone camera. You could also go to support@apple.com for further instruction. So how's portrait be chosen, guys? So when you launch your camera app, all right, so you can just choose portrait. So when you have that portrait, there's also an option here wherein you can have like a studio light. So there's tons of ways that you can play around or do some tricks, when you are on portrait mode. And you could actually see, you don't need to actually install another app because you from here you could already edit on how you would either you have a more blurry effect or basically adjusting the light for you to achieve a really good photo you just using your iPhone camera. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about iPhone camera, please subscribe to our channel to learn more. If you like this video, please hit a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.